Hello everyone, and today we are gonna play Bee Swarm Simulator. Okay, let's go on to Bee Swarm Simulator. What my Bee Swarm cell there does. Okay, I got pedal wand a few days ago. My life is not the same after that grind. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is I don't know, maybe try and do my daily stuff like kill Tunnel Bear and kill Fat Beetle thing. Stupid noise. So this is basically a daily routine video. Me and Bee Swarm. I do too much stuff in this game. Don't judge me. I'm laggy. I'll get a better computer soon. We can play better, have better videos. And first, I have to kill King. No, I mean kill Tunnel Bear. He's hard to kill on stupid laptop. Cause laptop laggy and laggy equal bad. It takes me a second. I have like 2 frames per second. I can't even move properly. Oh god, there's a bear behind me. Yeah, I basically never killed it. Oh, stupid vicious bit. Yay, good boy. Thank you for pooping. The poop is very appreciated here. Oh god, he's moving fast. He never moves fast. Oh, thankfully, coconut crab doesn't have this type of a cooldown. Well, kinda this type of timer. You can't basically defeat coconut crab in 2 minutes. It's too hard. So after I kill a tunnel bear, I usually stick to some quests, buy some treats to level up my garbage bees, and I try to do more quests. I'm currently working on Ultimate Ant Annihilation series, so I'm trying to finish all the ones to get my Star Creek. I want it. I need a gifted vicious bee to fight the coconut balls. Okay, time to kill the king beetle. I always kill the king beetle every day because it can give some pretty good rewards. I got 5 sprouts from it. I needed, especially for helping people, which I always do in this game. So after this, we're kind of just gonna tell. I'm kind of just gonna tell you what I do for the rest of the day. Boop. So laggy on my computer. Okay, time to kill this stupid guy. Murder him. Good. Murder the stupid beetle. Murder him. Okay. So after I do this, I usually just go and I usually go do more quests, and then I usually kill a few mobs trying to get my daily thing, my daily reward from some mobs, and then I usually sometimes AFK overnight to get enough, trying to get enough money to upgrade my bees, so I don't really have bees, like level 10 and level 11. So then I kind of just AFK all night. That's my daily routine in Bee Swarm Simulator. Hope you enjoyed, everyone. Everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.